Hello everyone.
Welcome back to my channel.
Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: Instagram Threads. Recently, a leaked preview on the Google Play Store has given us a sneak peek into this new application from Meta. It aims to combine the functionalities of a messenger application with the sociability we all love about Instagram.
So, what sets Instagram Threads apart from similar applications?
Let's dive right in. In January 2023, it was revealed that Meta, the parent company of Instagram, was working on an application called Threads. Now it's set to be released. The listing on App Store shows that it is expected to release on July 6, 2023. The leaked screenshots shared by Alessandro Paluzzi gave us a glimpse of what's to come.
Threads revolves around three main features: the camera, message inbox, and status updates. One interesting similarity with Twitter is the new thread feature, which resembles a tweet. You can add GIFs, stickers, or even translate your threads before posting. Furthermore, you can like, reply, and repost both your threads and the replies to them.
It serves as a camera and messaging application, allowing users to share photos, videos, and text or audio messages exclusively with their close friends from Instagram.
On Instagram, users can handpick a selection of close friends to view their stories.
Threads adopts this concept by making their close friends list readily available on the default screen.
What's convenient is that you can log into Threads using your existing Instagram account.
This means no time wasted on sign up if you already have an Instagram account. Your username on Threads will be the same as your Instagram username, further streamlining the experience. Threads aims to provide a more user-friendly environment compared to its competitors.
Threads has the potential to compete with Twitter and provide an alternative for those seeking a well-managed platform.
That's all for today's discussion on Instagram Threads.
We hope you found this overview helpful in understanding
what this upcoming application has to offer. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.